Hey guys, it's October and it's time for me to show you a couple of my Halloween projects. I have more to show. I have altered notebooks and I have a couple of altered cigar boxes that I'm going to be showing you. I'm finishing up the one cigar box, and once that's done, then I'll be showing you guys those. So these are little Halloween spoons I did. Glitter paint and a spider web and this little spider earring. And I got that earring from one of these. I got these at Walmart. They're $3 a piece and really cute. And then I did the witch, and I used a Dollar Tree fingernail art bow. I bought several packs of those because they're perfect for the spoons. And this is that really cool black glitter. Really, really like that. And my little tiny ghost, he's one of these earrings right here. He's the pair to that one. And there's another one of those Dollar Tree little bows. And then I just used ribbon. This one I might actually go ahead and put another bail down here and then hang this one of these spiders below it. I think that would look really cool. So I might go ahead and do that. I haven't done it yet, but because I've been working on other stuff. Okay, so here are my coffins that I made. This was the first one that I made, and I really like it. I wish I would have put a black frame around the photo. These photos on all of them came from a Tim Holtz pack. And I just used paint and glitter and flowers. And inside, and I realized I have to paint the bottom of this. I didn't paint it, so I have to get that done. And inside is creepy cloth to keep the skeleton nice and comfortable. Or whatever, I don't know. But I sprayed the skeleton with the Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist to give it a really cool sheen and have it coordinate with the rest of the coffin. This one was pretty simple, and like I said, I just realized I hadn't painted the bottom of it. Okay, so then there's this one. This is the next one I did. And again, I wish I would have put a black frame around here. But this is Edgar Allan Poe from that same Tim Holtz paper collection. And I have the bat trim from here. I've had this for a long time. And I'm actually thinking of using some of this bat trim on the cigar box that I'm working on. It's really cool. It's felt material. I wish I had a lot more of it. So I put that around the edge. And then this paper had bats, and I put a glitter bat on. And so this guy, this time I put the creepy cloth down, and then I covered it with black paper. And I might put some paper shred in there, black shred. I don't know. So that's Edgar Allan Poe. I think that's him. I'm pretty sure that's his picture. And then the next one I made this for our friends Tina and Michael. They host our Halloween party every year. And in fact, we might be having it next year. That would be a lot of fun. Our house is quite a bit bigger than theirs, so we can fit a lot of people easily. But this is how I decorated the lid. And if you want to, you can, when you go to store them, you can put the creepy cloth inside. So I have two skeletons in here, and I use some of that black paper shred from Dollar Tree in there. And then you can just go ahead, if you want to, if you prefer the look of having the creepy cloth inside, you can do that. Or you can leave it out. I like the way it looks with it out. I think it makes it look shabbier, but some people probably would prefer it to be nice and clean looking. And this is the last one that I made. And I really like this one a lot. I made the gold frame. I use the same gold paint that I used here. And a glimmer misted flowers, and I used one of my charms and I colored it gold with that gold paint. It was silver. And use some ribbon to trim it out. Oh, I need to put something here. Well, I'm glad I'm looking at these. So I need another flower to put there. And this is this skeleton. See how nicely that just tucks away? And I painted that brown on the bottom. And this one is for Tina and Michael. Happy Halloween. So I guess I'm not quite done yet, but I've done enough. You get the gist of it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. These are so much fun to do. This one is my favorite. I just really like the cohesiveness of it. But they're just so much fun to do. You just need paint and glue and papers and flower embellishments, whatever you want to use. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Leave any comments or questions below, and I'll just see you next time. Love you. Bye. Oh, and happy Halloween.